What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yasmin Parker. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to double tap that bell so you can get notified when I post new videos. Guys, we're back with a vlog. We're back with a daily vlog, but it's just like I don't even know how to vlog anymore because I'm not used to vlogging. I don't know, like in my space in my apartment. So I'm like watching my old vlogs, trying to figure out how the heck did I used to vlog. Like I haven't vlogged in my apartment or in my home in like 2 years, so I'm just like, how do you even start a vlog? So we are about to unbox some things because your girl got some new things, and I was like, let me just turn on my camera and unbox, you know, some of the stuff I got from my apartment. I'm trying to make my apartment my Pinterest board. I'm trying to make it chic, like rich, like, you know, just giving the girls what it needs to give. So I'm about to unbox some things, guys, and yeah, I don't know how this vlog is gonna go. All right guys, so we're about to unbox this thing I got. The first thing I do want to unbox, I'm gonna just put this to the side, is my new toaster. Obsessed, y'all. Oh my god, SMG. I've been thinking about this toaster for a very long time. Let me bring the camera close. All right, y'all, so we about to unbox this because they had the black one in stock. So I was just like, I have to get this toaster. It is so chic. Like, I love it. If I can get it out. Is it pricey? Yes, but you know, oh my god, look at it. It's so beautiful, so beautiful. And I think I want to put it right here, but I don't want the wires to show at all. Let me move you guys so you guys can see. Okay, so this is cute. I'm gonna probably leave it right here. Oh my god, this is so chic. Wow, it looks so good. No. That is so chic. Oh my god, isn't it chic, guys? SMG is so chic. Would I get the whole set? No, but you know, this would do. Like, this is cute. All right, y'all, so I got some new shoes also. I really could feel like I completely just don't know how to vlog no more. Like, this is crazy. I got some new On Cloud shoes, y'all. This is like my go-to shoes. If I'm running errands, I'm always wearing On Cloud. This is like my third pair of shoes from On Cloud. Love them down. I got the size 8.5, and I think I got the Cloud X3 AD. Those are the ones I got. But these shoes, fire. This is what I wear like all the time. Like when I'm working out, this is what I'm putting on, my On Clouds. Let me try these on. Cause these bad boys get the job done. Yeah, these are so cute. Yeah, I love me some On Clouds. I'm not gonna lie, these are like my go-to shoes. Like, y'all, I'm like a gym queen now. Like, I'm always at the gym. So this is the only shoes I wear. I have 3 pair. And I also went to, okay y'all, so I went to CB2. I'm gonna pop a picture of like my chair in the throw I used to have. The throw I had up there was from Target. I went to CB2 today and got a new throw, but I think the little chair I have, because y'all know, if y'all been watching me for a very long time, y'all know I'm a minimalist and I don't like a lot of things. The throw I have now, I feel like it's too thick for the chair, but I folded it. And I was in New York, I brought another throw, and that throw didn't look right whatsoever. So we got a throw. Let me just show y'all the throw I brought when I was in New York. The throw I ended up buying was this throw right here, but I got my initials on it, which is super cute, I thought, and chic. Like, I may use this throw or this blanket as like when I travel, because I thought it would look good in my apartment. Let me show y'all the throw I brought today, and now it's on my chair. All right guys, so this is the throw that I brought today. You can just tell, look at the quality of the throw from CB2. Oh my gosh, it's just giving that chic, really nice aesthetic that I'm looking for. I think it's just a little too big for the chair personally. The chair is from Walmart. If you know, you know. Okay? The chair is from Walmart. The throw is CB2. It is the vibe that I'm looking for. Alright guys, and the last thing I got was this tray from CB2. I actually have the whole black set from CB2 for my bathroom. I don't know, y'all, the black is my favorite color. Like, the color black is it. It's my vibe. It's me. It's one of a kind. So I'm gonna put this black simple tray. And one thing I realized about CB2, their stuff really don't get, I'm not gonna say it don't get scratched up, but it's really good. Like, it's just going in my bathroom, something simple. Alright guys, so I'm actually about to head out and get food and drinks. Well, I'm not even drinking, mocktails with a couple of girlfriends. So we're about to head there and go. I just wanted to pop in. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit of what I'm wearing. It's only our reservation is at 7. I live like right around the corner from the reservation, which is not far whatsoever. So let me go ahead and just show you guys what I'm wearing. My outfit, I hope you guys can see me. I'm wearing, my top is from Woodford. I'm just wearing my top from Woodford. My jeans are Aritzia, and they're a little too big, I'm guessing because I lost weight. So I really like these, how they look. My shoes are Hermes, and I'm just pairing it with my little Chanel bag. This is what I'm wearing. A cute little 1, 2, 3. You can never go wrong with a fit like this. Alright y'all, so I am back home from hanging out with my homegirls. We just went to go get some food, something simple, cute, casual, little luncheon. But now I just got back home. I'm about to end this vlog here. I know this seems like a short vlog. It is a short vlog because that's just because I'm just trying to get used to vlogging all over again. Like, I'm not used to vlogging like in my space, in my home. I'm used to doing like travel vlogs, which are a lot easier. But here it's like I want to be a content creator, but it's just like I want my privacy too. So I'm just trying to vlog, make sure it's a good vlog, try to do longer vlogs. I don't know, I'm still trying to figure out my niche here on YouTube. So I'm starting like basically back over because I have to regain watch hours all over again. I'm starting back basically from square one. So that's the only thing. So I'm just trying to find my groove. Y'all let me know what kind of videos y'all would like to see because I honestly truly don't know what to post. I don't even know, I have no idea what to post, and like I'm just trying to find my groove, but I want to be consistent also, so it's kind of hard for me. So I'm just like, I don't be doing nothing in my apartment. So it's just like, I don't know what y'all would want to see, because I do what anybody else do with their apartment. Like, you know, I buy groceries, I shower, I sleep, I lounge, I watch TV. So I just feel like, I don't know, some vlogs could be kind of boring, but I'm like, my day-to-day is really simple. Like, I really don't be doing much. Like, I just be at home chilling most of the time. So I'm just trying to find my groove on YouTube. I want to gain a lot of subscribers. I want to be consistent. I want to build a community more than anything. So, but I know it seems as though like TikTok is probably the best bet to build a community. I don't have TikTok, so I would have to, you know, I don't know, re-download. But I want to be consistent on YouTube, and I'm like, other content creators are like consistent on both platforms, and I'm just like, I don't even know what to post on TikTok, because I feel more comfortable talking on YouTube versus TikTok. Like on TikTok, I wouldn't even know what to say, because it's just like, I don't have nothing to say. Like here on YouTube it's easier, I feel like, but it's like the pace is a little slower. Like it will take a while, the algorithm would have to mess with you. So I'm just trying to find my groove on TikTok. Also, it's just like, yeah, I'm just trying to figure it out. I'm trying to figure out what videos to post on my channel, because I'm still trying to grow the channel all over again. But I hope you all enjoyed this vlog. Let me know down below in the comment section what videos you would like for me to post. Give me some ideas, because I am blank right now. I'm clearly blank. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, loves. And hopefully I'll see you in my next vlog.